We are going to talk for a few minutes today about the first grade personal financial literacy unit. There are 4 supporting standards in this unit, 1.9a through 1.9d, and I just want to talk about a little bit about what each one of those standards means for our students. So 1.9a is just where students are expected to understand that money earned is called income. So the difference between earning money, something I work for or I do chores for, I go to my job and I earn an income, versus I got a birthday gift, a gift card, or I got some money from my grandma for Christmas. That's a gift. So understanding the difference between money that I worked for is income that I earned, and money that someone just gave to me is a gift. That's the biggest part of 1.9a, understanding that income is money I earn from doing a job or a chore. 1.9b is where students understand that that income that was earned is used to obtain or to get goods and services. So I go to work, I do my job, I get paid for doing that job, and then I'm able to buy the things that I need, like food and shelter and clothing, and pay for electricity and pay for Christmas gifts, or pay for someone to fix something that's broken, those kinds of things. And that in this is where we'll talk about that sometimes we have to make a choice between things that we want and things that we need based on our income. I may not have the income to buy everything that I want, so I have to choose between the things that I need versus the things that I want. So kids understand that wants and needs. That also ties to their social studies standards, so they will have had those conversations before, and they can relate to that because they will have heard before, we don't have the money for that right now, we have to wait. That ties us right into 1.9c, which is understanding the difference between spending and saving. And kids hear about that at home when there's something that they want and they don't have enough money for it. Maybe they have to save for it. Maybe they have to do some chores and earn some income and then save that income to be able to buy what they want. Maybe they want a new video game that costs $50 and they have to earn the income and save it instead of buying, a bag of chips for a snack. I might save that money to be able to buy something bigger. So talking about when do I spend the money versus when do I save the money. And then the last teak in this one is just 1.9d, which is consider charitable giving. This is where students can talk about different things they've done that would be called charitable giving, and they don't have to know those words right now. They just need to understand that charitable giving is when I have something that I give to an organization to help someone else or some group. So they might have seen food drives going on over the last couple of years, and giving to those organizations is charitable giving. They might understand if they've given money at church before that that's charitable giving. They might have done some sort of a drive, or maybe they've collected canned pet food and given it to the animal shelter, or collected blankets to give to a homeless shelter. So different things like that would be considered charitable giving. It doesn't always have to be money. It can also be other kinds of needs that those organizations would have that they may have helped with through giving to support those. So this is a short unit, and again, it's just those 4 supporting standards. So these are things that we can do through lots of situations when we're trying to learn about this, to help kids make sense of the learning when it's something that they may not have participated in very much at this age. So let me know if you need ideas or help in these standards for your kiddos.